AppDB.Studio has features to help speed up the process of creating, maintaining, and testing databases. In the Refactorings menu, you can move objects between schemas and rename different types of objects. Note that the split and merge features for both tables and columns are grayed out to indicate that they are, at the time of this recording, in active development and planned for release soon. So let's try the refactoring labeled Move Objects to Schema. We'll choose to move to the App schema all tables currently associated with the Asset schema. In the Integration Actions field, we'll select Generate Only SSDT Refactor Log to also generate the code needed by the refactor log file in Visual Studio Database projects. A query window now appears with the generated code for our refactoring. In the commented section, you can find the code to copy to the refactor log file to avoid dropping the tables when deploying the database project. Now, before we actually run this script, let's create a save point so that we can roll back our changes later on if need be. To do that, we simply click on the Create Save Point button in AppDB.Studio's toolbar. Let's name our new save point SP1. Note that save points are really SQL Server snapshots behind the scene and act like lightweight database backups. We can now see our newly created snapshot in the corresponding Object Explorer folder. Like snapshots, there can be only one save point per database. Now we can fearlessly run our refactoring script. We can see that the tables were indeed moved to the app schema as expected. Let's roll back our changes with our newly created save point by clicking on the button Undo Changes. The database is now back to its original state.